In this video, I'm just going to show you how to make a curved curtain wall like this. And if you're interested in seeing the whole house model, I'll do a whole house model tutorial as well. So I just want to show how to make a curved curtain wall like this. Sometimes there's trouble with doing that. So if you take a wall shape and try to make a curved wall like this, it turns into a wall, no problem. So we can select another kind of wall just so it actually looks like a wall. And I'll connect this to level 1. Now I'm going to hit WT on the keyboard to split the windows like this, and I want to insert a curtain wall, a curved curtain wall in this. So I'll take the wall tool again and go into properties, and if you go down and select the walls, you'll find curtain wall down here. If you select curtain wall empty, the wall will not curve, so you have to select this one here, and then I can select this tool and click there, and you can see a curved curtain wall in there. Now I'm going to pull this back a little bit just so it can embed inside the wall. I'll pull it about there, and I'll pull this side back about there, and maybe I will drop this down a bit about there. Now I'll select the curtain wall, and in the properties panel go into edit type, and we're looking for automatically embed. So select this and hit OK. So this is embedded in the wall now. Now we can have this active view and hit TW on the keyboard just to see this, because we can work with this now. So if you go into mullions, all grid lines, and there you have a curtain wall that's curved, set in a curved wall. As I said before, if you're interested in seeing this whole house tutorial, I'll be making a full house tutorial on this.